Rain forecast issued at 11:30 a.m. Thursday, August 2nd, for today, tonight, and Friday. Marine forecast for Lake Nipissing, squall watch in effect. Wind southwest 10 knots with gusts to 40 near thunderstorms. Wind becoming light early this evening, then becoming northeast 10 near midnight. Wind becoming light Friday morning. A few showers ending before morning with risk of thunderstorms.
Current marine reports.
Weather conditions at 12 noon, Lake Nipissing, buoy temperature 21, wind southeast 12 knots, wave height 0.1 meters, water temperature 23, barometric pressure 100.84 kilopascals and falling. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Northern Ontario at 11:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, August 2nd, 2012. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, and West Nipissing, French River.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le nord de l'Ontario à 11h21, heure avancée de l'Est, le jeudi 2 août